Owning a vacation rental in Mount Hood can feel like a dream, but managing it yourself? That's often where the dream turns into a full-time job. If you're handling bookings, guest messages, maintenance, local law compliance, and pricing all on your own, you're not just a host. You're running a 24/7 hospitality business solo. And most homeowners don't realize, self-managing usually ends up costing you more in both money and time. Let's break down the hidden costs and how you can avoid them. Your time isn't free. What's a typical month for a DIY host? 20+ guest messages, last-minute cleanings, emergency maintenance calls, pricing updates, refunds, and reviews. Even if you're good at it, your time isn't free, and burnout is real. Poor listings and pricing equals lost income. If your listing photos aren't professional, your pricing doesn't adjust to demand, and your headline doesn't grab attention, you're leaving money on the table. In Mount Hood, that could mean $6,000 to $15,000 a year. Mistakes with guests hurt reviews and revenue. One bad experience, one late reply, and one missed detail. That's all it takes for a guest to leave a 3-star review. On all booking platforms, 3 stars can tank your bookings. Compliance mistakes equals expensive fines. Clackamas County and nearby areas have real rules: local tax collection, fire safety compliance, and licensing permits. If you miss one requirement, you could face fines or shutdowns. Vendor coordination equals another full-time job. Self-managing means you're also the cleaning coordinator, the handyman's backup, and the emergency contact at 2 in the morning. Even if you hire help, you're still managing them. And don't forget, if you self-manage, you also pay a 15% self-employment tax. You could avoid that and earn passively with a management team instead. So, what's the alternative? At Silver Oak Retreats, we manage Mount Hood vacation homes for owners who want peace of mind instead of more work on their plate. With us, you get optimized listings, smart pricing, 24/7 guest support, professional cleaning, legal compliance, monthly reporting, and local oversight, all for just a simple 20% management fee. No upfront costs, and we don't get paid unless you do. Curious what your home could actually earn? Email us or fill out our quick intake form and we'll send over a free income estimate based on real Mount Hood data. No pressure and no obligations, just the numbers.